Are you tired of watching your hard-earned money dwindle in the Forex market? The truth is, success in trading isn't just about strategy. It starts in your mind. Here are the top 5 mindset shifts that can transform your Forex trading journey. First, embrace the concept of risk management. Understand that every trade carries risk. View losses as learning opportunities rather than failures. Next, adopt a long-term perspective. Instead of chasing quick profits, focus on consistent, smaller gains over time. Shift your mindset from impatience to discipline. Successful traders stick to their plans, resisting the urge to chase after fleeting impulses. Cultivating emotional resilience is critical. Don't let fear or greed drive your decisions. Lastly, prioritize self-awareness. Know your strengths and weaknesses. This clarity will enhance your trading strategies. By implementing these mindset shifts, you're not just changing the game, you're mastering it. Transform your approach and watch your Forex results unlock the hidden realm of Forex trading by diving deep into price action psychology. Successful traders don't just analyze charts, they master the emotions that drive market moves. By understanding trader behavior, you can anticipate shifts and seize opportunities others miss. Embrace your mindset, cultivate discipline, and watch your profits soar. Master these secrets and transform your Forex journey. Unlock the secret to consistent profits by mastering market structure. Understanding the underlying framework of the market allows you to identify trends and reversals with precision. By analyzing key support and resistance levels, you can make strategic trades that minimize risk. Embrace this knowledge, develop your strategy, and watch your profits soar while others scramble in uncertainty. Your financial success begins with market mastery. Ready to transform your trading mindset and unlock consistent wins. In the world of Forex, success hinges on understanding your psychology more than just price charts. Fear and impatience can sabotage even the best strategies. Instead, embrace discipline and focus on process, not profit. Remember, patience reveals true opportunity. Elevate your trading game and conquer the market's noise. Consistency is your ultimate weapon. Follow, subscribe, and trade smarter
Ready
today.
to boost your Forex trading success? Many beginners unknowingly sabotage their potential by falling into common traps. From ignoring risk management to over-leveraging, these mistakes can lead to devastating losses. Establish a solid trading plan, stay disciplined, and continually educate yourself. By avoiding these pitfalls, you'll pave the way for profitable trades and long-term success in the Forex market.